This week we're having major rains and like 1 to 3 inches a day, which is awesome, and gale force winds from the ocean. The winds are up to 28 to 30 miles an hour, and the dogs hate it, but I love it. And the lake has also risen, which is really good. We need that. And it is really, really, really chilly. It's 54 today. Yesterday it didn't get above 43. And then at night it's going down to about 39 to 40. And it's cold. I wished I could find some doggy boots that would actually stay on. I've tried several kinds. And I'm just going to have to carry Freya. Odin has a lot more fur. And his fur is getting longer. Her fur is not. She's a normal Chihuahua. She has hardly any fur on her underside, and she gets cold quick. But this is awesome. And there's going to be big fog tonight, or when this rain stops too. And then there's going to be major mushroom hunting. Hopefully I can find some chanterelle mushrooms, which they have tons of them around here. And they come up after these rains. Normally in October they start. So I've never had a chanterelle, but I was told that they're excellent mushrooms, and they're very, very expensive at the store.